Alright, what is going on, you guys? My name is Ricky with Espresso Racer, and this is the first ride that I got with the GoPro setup with the mic installed in it. It is a Purple Panda mic. I just got the medium mod, so I'm just testing out the new angle as well as the actual sound of the Purple Panda with the medium mod. So it's too nice of a day out not to take it out, but I also wanted to take this time to go ahead and let y'all know what I've been up to and all that shit, and just give you guys an update. Oh, she sounds pretty today. Woo! God, I miss this bike. Now, the main things I'm really looking for with this new helmet setup is I want to start doing more talking videos, and obviously I need to do that with some sort of mic and not the usual setup that I got with the POV videos. But I mean, so far what I see, the angle seems like it's pretty good, so definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think about the audio, the view of everything, the angle, everything. Please, I would love to hear you guys' feedback on everything. I think my dumbass forgot to strap up, so let me go ahead and strap up real quick. There hasn't been too many upgrades that I did with it since my last modification video. I do still have to get the forkators put on, as well as maybe replacing the headlight just to get something a little bit more modern. But as far as that, I mean, I'm still loving it. It's at about 12,000 miles right now. Absolute blast still. No complaints. Nothing ever went wrong with it so far. And it still turns a lot of heads, and like I said before, for the price, I really don't think there's a better entry-level bike that you can get, especially if you want a cafe racer that is basically good to go from the jump. But I mean, I still love the pipes on it, still love the tail tidy that I did on it. Tires, they're about to, I probably need new ones in another 1,000 miles or so, but definitely love the bigger tires that I put on there still. So I hope you guys can, this is the first time I'm actually trying out the audio, as well as this new camera angle that I have on my AGV K1, which I do need to do a video on the helmet setup and everything I got. But yeah, I mean, here's the bike, here's you know how she looks right now. But let's start her up. Alright, so let's go for a quick ride. So for those who followed me since the start, I actually started recording when I was living in Houston, and the whole reason for the hiatus that I was on was for the last few months, later last year, was basically I actually moved to Corpus Christi, Texas, which I decided to do for work purposes, of course. There was a job opportunity that I could not turn down. Oh. Alright, let's go, come on. It was too good of a day to pass up on, so I needed to make sure to get another ride in. Oh man, I freaking missed taking this bike out. So I already mentioned some of the mods that or the things I'm gonna do to the bike. Nothing crazy. I honestly love the bike how it is, and I already dumped enough money into it, so I don't think there's much I want to do to it. If anything, get another bike. But as far as some plans for the channel, so I'm definitely going to be more active. I will definitely be uploading a lot more shorts because I think it's a great way for people who don't want to see the full-length POV videos to still get a taste of some of the things that I do on the channel, and you know, they can still enjoy the most, in my opinion, the funnest parts of the ride itself. So I will definitely do more short videos on my YouTube channel, as well as some Instagram reels. That'll definitely be happening a lot more frequently. As far as, and also like I mentioned, I definitely want to do more riding videos where I could actually connect with you guys and, you know, connect more with my audience, because you guys have been a crucial part to having this channel grow as much as it has. Honestly, it's been a year I'm on YouTube, and, you know, some might say it's a small following, but I mean, you guys are super stoked that I'm back making videos, and I'm happy to be making videos, and, you know, I wouldn't be here without you guys. So I'm definitely looking forward to making videos that I can actually talk to you guys and interact and answer all your guys' questions on whether it's the bike, lifestyle, personal life. You know, I'm free to ask them, and I'll go ahead and answer them for you. The thing I noticed so far about living in Corpus is there's definitely not as much to do in Houston, and there definitely isn't as many twisties. Maybe I just haven't found them yet, but there definitely is some twisty roads that I do miss up in Houston. But, you know, there's still a decent amount of car groups, car meets, and bike meets that are over here. So I went to one yesterday, the Harley meet, which is great. The people at Harley Corpus Christi, they definitely hooked us up with some free beers that they had at Nueces Brewery over here. So that was a really good, pleasant surprise from them. So great people out there, and look forward to working with them a little bit more. So I actually don't know where the hell I'm going, but we're gonna make the most out of it. I swear it's so weird actually talking and riding at the same time, but oh my god, yes. That never freaking gets old. Never gets old. So I guess I'll answer another question that one of my other viewers or followers on Instagram went ahead and asked me, and they asked how I balance doing YouTube as well as work. As far as balancing it, I mean, I like to, I've pretty much, ever since college, I've pretty much been into this side hustle economy, and obviously working in an accounting job gets pretty boring, so I like to express my creative side through these videos, as well as, you know, just a time to decompress and, you know, take my mind off of, you know, any bullshit that I might be going through. And I mean, we all got our bullshit, and I think it's a great way riding to meet new people and have a great time. I heard this before, and I wish I knew who said it, but it's so freaking true, that there's nothing more fun to have with your clothes on than riding a motorcycle. So I definitely believe that, and yeah, I mean, I'm so happy. I'm about 3 years into riding at this point. Come June, 3 years into owning this bad boy, and so I got a lot more riding left in me. I mean, like you can see, I'm almost at 13,000 miles right now on this bike, which is my first bike. I had a Honda Rebel 500 that you guys used to see in the POV videos, but got rid of that when I made my move out here, and yeah, it's just a blast to ride, and I really don't think there's a better way to, you know, have fun on the road than to be on a motorcycle. So of course I make one turn around here and literally nothing else but dirt road and straight narrow roads here, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and yeah, let's go catch more ride. Damn, my voice is cracked there. Jesus. But I really hope you guys can hear me, and hope you guys are enjoying this quick ride and quick new helmet setup I got, as well as the, you know, now being able to actually talk to you guys. So we'll see how ooh, that's some gravel right there. God damn. I picked the worst place to go ahead and make a U-turn at. God damn. Whew. Definitely won't be doing that next time. Oh, that's too freaking funny. God, that feels nice. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there, and I get way too excited whenever I take this bike out. So. Alright guys, so I'm about to head home right now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed that quick little ride, and definitely it'll be an adjustment getting used to talking and riding at the same time, but I really hope you guys could hear clearly. That's the most important thing, and hope you guys are ready for more videos that I plan on coming out with. But seriously, I can't thank you guys enough for the continued support, and I really can't wait to keep on pushing out the content for you guys. It's getting nicer here in Texas, not going to be as cold, and I definitely plan on riding it as much as I can, especially with the gas prices coming up. But that's beside the point. I really hope you guys had a good time, and make sure to like, share, subscribe, all those YouTube things. And if you guys have another video topic, you know, feel free to comment down below, and I always get to every comment that is sent over or made on each video. Every single one gets a response, no matter what. And you know, if it's a good comment, I will definitely go ahead and make a video maybe completely dedicated to it. So definitely stay tuned for that. And with all that said, ride safe, y'all.